Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change location on Western Union account. To change your payout location for a Western Union money transfer, you have a few options. The first option is to visit Western Union website. First of all, go ahead and open a preferred web browser. In the URL box, type in westernunion.com and search. Once you end up in the official website, scroll down all the way at the bottom of the screen and click on Contact Us under Company. On the next page, click on Chat with Us. In order to initiate a text chat with a customer service representative. In the chat, you will need to provide necessary information and explain why you need to change your location. Type in your message in the text box appearing at the bottom, and they will guide you through the process that will help you change your location. Simply follow through the on-screen prompts, and they will guide you through the process and they will tell you that you will need to chat with an agent. If the agency where you initiate the transfer is open, you can visit them directly. And if you want to consider calling Western Union, you can get back from this page and call on the toll-free number provided on the screen, and you will be guided on further instruction how you can easily change your location. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.